Hi everyone, Jennifer here. Welcome to the Daily Connoisseur. Today I am walking you through my planners that I'm going to be using. This is my day designer and I'm going to be using this for planning major stuff for the year. I also have another planner that I'm going to use for homeschool because I like to separate the two. So right now let me walk you through the day designer and show you inside. Also, I know you're going to ask about my nail polish, and this is by London Town, and I will leave the exact shade down below. Okay, I'm going to start by taking you inside the day designer, and this is going to be my main planner for the year. This is my first year using this planner. I've never used it before, but I wanted to try something new other than the kind that everybody else uses, and I like to explore different small businesses, and I think that they've done an excellent job with this planner. So I'm going to show you the inside of my planner here, as well as some of the other accessories. I purchased this all myself and intend to give you, as usual, just my thoughts and my review on the planner. The Day Designer is one of the pricier planners. It is really well constructed. After this, I'm going to show you another one that I have that is less expensive, more affordable. So it just depends on what you have in your budget and what you're looking for the year. But I find this to be an extremely high quality planner, and it really had almost everything that I was looking for in a planner. So I'm excited to see how this works for me throughout the year. The Day Designer has both daily layouts as well as weekly layouts, and I chose the weekly layouts. I explained this in depth in my previous planning video on ways to stay consistent with your planner, but I think it's really important to choose a planner that is going to work for you. Now, I personally like a weekly layout, and we're going to get to that in just a moment, but when you open up the planner, there is a little pocket here, and I think that that's really nice. And they include a few sheets of stickers. I think you can also buy more. But I like these. I mean, I find some of the stickers overwhelming, but these are really nice. See if you can, trying to get these a bit closer, but they say things like to do, meeting, party, vacation, me time, grateful, exercise, birthday, payday, big day, do today, don't forget, and then various little icons that you could put throughout the planner. And I like that they're all gold and it's very elegant looking. I do like a planner with a pocket because in here I can clip a pen like that, or I could put notebooks, and I bought a little 4-pack of notebooks. Like I said, I went a little crazy. I bought all of the accessories I could for it. And this comes in a little 4-pack, and it was really affordable. So I liked all of the shades, but I'm the type of person with my work that I do as a writer and also with the creative content I put here on YouTube. I go through these notebooks. I burn through things like this all year. I'm constantly writing down notes, ideas, poems, book things. So I think that this is really great. So I plan to just keep one in this little pocket at a time. And that's what I'm doing. This is just the opening page where you can write your name. And I won't go through every page with you, but I will show you some of them. They have a self-assessment, goals, where you want to be, what's important to you at the very beginning. I like all of that. They have an ideal week and an ideal month. Then they also have the 12-month overview. Okay, I went ahead and made that a little bit darker so that you could see it hopefully a bit better. But in here is the 12-month overview, then birthdays and important dates, a list of the holidays, and then this is what the actual month layouts look like. So this is January 2021, and it's very plain. It's not decorated. They do not have artistic work inside this. That was fine for me. I also enjoy planners that are artistically designed, but it's not make or break for me. I think what they do is they expect you to design it yourself. So if you are artistically inclined, you could draw up here, color that in, put stickers, washi tape even on it. And I actually do like washi tape, so I have been known to use it. But I probably won't decorate my planner because I'm not that artistic. But I do like how they have the whole month layout. And then this is an example of the weekly layout. So this is a 2021 planner, but they start on December 28th. So they have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and then Saturday and Sunday down here. Now this is the type of layout that really works for me. I love having a horizontal layout. And by the way, this is a ruler that comes with it. You can also buy an additional one, which I did, and I'll tell you why. But it can mark your place. It just says today, and that can help you plan as well. So that's kind of a neat feature. Okay, so the reason why I personally like it like this is because I'm able to see, okay, what appointments do I have? What do I have planned for YouTube or for my writing or for the kids or play dates or anything like that? What do I have? Because I don't write too much for each day. They also have a to-do list here, the week's top 3, and they also have an inspiring quote. This one is by Benjamin Disraeli, and it says, "Patience is a necessary ingredient of genius." So they have that there along with some notes, and I really like this layout. I think it's great, and we'll see how it works for me this year. But in the past, I have had planners that have had a vertical weekly layout, and for some reason, that just doesn't work for me. I don't know why, it doesn't work. But that might work for you. It just depends on how you process information and what you prefer visually. Now, with their day designers, because they have daily planners, I think most people prefer that because they had more cover options for the daily planners. So I think, and see, I've already started using this, even though it's for 2021. And I'm hoping that you can see this properly. But in their weekly planner here, they also have, I think, 50 of these today and to-dos. So these are the type of pages that are in their daily planner. This is what you would find. So it would be Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and so forth. But see, for me personally, I don't like to flip each day to see my week. I like it all on one page. So it's just up to you what you prefer. But I like that they include 50 of these in here. So these would be for my really busy days. Usually those are working days for me where I have a lot of to-dos. So they have all the weekly layout for the months there. Then they also have a bunch of notes pages, and this really works well for me because I'm constantly writing things down. And then in the back, they have stay on track. Forms for expenses. I believe they have a bucket list, packing list, and things like that. So I think it's wonderful. So I have 2 of those clear ruler dividers. I keep one for the week that I'm in, and then the other one is for the detailed to-dos. Another way to keep track of the day you're in is by using one of these elastic bands. You could buy these accessories as well. They come in a 3-pack, and they have this color as well as, I believe, black and blue. So if you travel with it, it's nice to keep that closed so that little papers and things don't fly out. And then they have pens as well. So that is a look inside my day designer, and I think it's beautifully designed. I'm really excited to try this out for 2021. I will leave this down below along with the discount code that they have given me. And now let's have a look at my homeschool planner, and that's going to be from Ivory Paper Co. Okay, everybody, hello. It is a few weeks later, actually. New nails today, by the way. This is the shade Cafe Latte by London Town. I'm going on wearing this for over a week, and today in particular, I've done so much with my hands. So anyway, they don't look as good as they could, but I thought I'd share the color with you. So this is the Ivory Paper Co. planner, and this finally came in, and I think it's going to be really good to see because this one is actually a day planner as opposed to the weekly. So you know that for my personal everyday planner, I like the weekly spread, but this one is going to be interesting because it's a daily spread, and I plan to use this for homeschool. So it's a beautiful cover, as you can see, and it has my name on the top. This is from a small business, and they're made in America. And I thought it'd be just really good to showcase this one in particular. And this is also at a much lower price point than the Day Designer, so it's definitely worth checking out if you have a smaller budget. So the cover is nice and sturdy, and this is an all-in-one planner. All right, I'm not doing a complete flip through of the entire planner, but it has some neat things in the front, like the address book, password keeper, reading wish list. So I think this is actually pretty good for homeschool as well. Just you know, to keep track of what you're going to be reading in the year. Then of course it has the monthly calendar, and I like the font, it's pretty. And then this is what the day calendar looks like. So as opposed to the weekly spread where you would see all the days of the week on the 2 pages, this has one day. So this would be Friday, January 1st, and then it has due, gratitude, a to-do list, and then the schedule hourly right here. So for example, for my everyday life, this is way too detailed, I think, but for homeschool, it'll work really well. So for example, I could write preschool from 8 to 9, and then usually we do math from 9 to 10, language arts from 10 to 11, and of course there's breaks in there. And then we do our last subjects between 11 and lunchtime. Sometimes it goes past lunch, but I would be able to write that down generically. Obviously I wouldn't be able to put every child's schedule in here. This is what I plan to use it as. We'll see how it goes. I've actually used real homeschool planners before, and those are great too. So I'm not saying that you shouldn't use those. I'm just trying something different this year. So it's also neat to know that they also have a weekly spread as well in this planner. So this is both day and week. And of course this is vertical, but this works really well for people who like that block system. So here's an example of Monday, again, Tuesday, and they have a hydrate tracker down there. That's pretty neat. And a place for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday combined, and then the whole week at a glance. So this is really great. I mean, it's all in one. So if you like both daily and weekly planners, this is a great one to have. And I think that that's pretty neat. This would be good for me to put homeschool goals, field trips, all of that sort of thing when we're supposed to turn in our attendance or have tests or things like that. That is what I plan to use it for. So this is just a 6-month planner, and it goes to June 30th. And I think it's because of the fact that it's a daily and a weekly, there's so many pages. So this would end. But actually for me and for homeschool, that really works because we're usually done by school by then. So we will see how this works this year. I like this planner, and I think that this is really going to work for me for homeschool. By the way, I'm going to be giving one of these away on Instagram. So this was sent to me by the company, and they're going to be giving away one to one of my viewers. So go follow me on Instagram. I'm not sure when the giveaway will be up, but it will be soon, and we can do that. I also want to mention in the info box below, I have some other great planner companies featured, like Planned and Proper. I've spoken with the owner there, and I love their planners. They completely sold out on Black Friday, and so that's why I didn't have a chance to buy one to show you in this video. But I would have loved to do that or do a giveaway or something. But I'm putting them down there as well as some other planner options. So please check the info box if you need some more inspiration. Anyway, I hope that you found this video useful. Please give it a thumbs up if you did, and I would be more than happy to continue this mini planner series throughout the year to show you how I actually like to use my planners and my tips and tricks and things like that for staying productive. Thank you so much for joining me today on the Daily Connoisseur. I hope that you have a wonderful weekend, and I will see you on Monday. Bye, everyone.